Managing SafetyDocs alerts. SafetyDocs can send you or your team members important alerts. Each user has to set their own preferences. If you have trained your team to be alert to incoming changes or live situation events, it's essential that they log in to set this up. Logging into the SafetyDocs site on a computer will give you more functions. Team members just using mobile devices will not see the watch icon. Log into your site and click your profile picture in the top right. Click My Account. If your admin has granted you the Receive and Manage notifications, you will see on the right-hand side the notification preferences. Click on that. Select Notify upon changes to pages I own and the Notify upon comments on pages I own. You can also watch a book, page, or shelf. Notifications will be sent on any changes and comments made. Go to the book, page, or shelf and click the watch icon on the right. You can see all your watched items back in your notification preferences. Notifications will be sent via email with links to the changes. The watch icon disappears when it has been clicked. To manage the preferences or unwatch, click the Watching New Pages and Updates in the Details section, which is in the top right. A drop-down box appears and you can select what notifications you wish to see. Tip: Event managers might want to see all changes made to the book and pages, but a steward might only need to see changes to the contingency or emergency plan, so just ask them to watch that page. If you will send live alerts, then ask them to watch comments too. Thank you for watching this video from SafetyDocs. We look forward to making the complex process of risk analysis so much easier, even fun. SafetyDocs create, sync, share, comply.